In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Word document for similarity to online sources. This is a quick built-in way to see whether parts of your writing resemble content that already exists on the web, which can help you refine your wording and ensure originality before you share or submit your work. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word, either on the desktop app or in Word for the web. With your document open, look to the top ribbon and go to the Home tab. From there, click on Editor. This opens the Editor pane, usually on the right side of your screen. Editor is Microsoft's writing assistant, and within it you'll find tools for spelling and grammar, clarity, and, for our purposes today, similarity. In the Editor pane, scroll down until you see the section labeled Similarity. Click the option that says Check for similarity to online sources. Once you select that, Word will begin scanning your document and comparing its content against online material. This can take a little time depending on the length of your document and your connection, so be patient and avoid closing the file while it runs. When the check is complete, Word will present two key things. First, you'll see a percentage that represents how much of your content matches online sources. Think of this as a rough indicator, not a verdict. A higher percentage doesn't automatically mean there's a problem, and a low percentage doesn't guarantee every sentence is unique. Many documents contain common phrases or standard language that can trigger matches. Use the number as a starting point to guide your review. Second, you'll see a list of passages that potentially match external content. These are the specific areas Word flagged during its scan. Review each passage thoughtfully in the context of your document. Ask yourself whether the language is common knowledge, whether it's a phrase you intended to quote or closely paraphrase, or whether it would benefit from rewording to better reflect your original voice. If something is meant to reference an external idea, make sure your writing makes that clear and that it's properly acknowledged according to your style guide. That's all there is to it. Open your document, go to the Home tab, click Editor, scroll to Similarity, and run the check. Then use the percentage and the flagged passages to make informed edits. Building this quick review into your writing process can boost confidence in your work and help you present a polished, original document every time.